The high-pressure washer will be well packaged to avoid damage during transportation and storage. Use tools to remove the strapping and open the packaging. The machine is well preserved in the box. The machine and all its accessories are as shown in the video. To install the tire, first install the bearing. Align the installation position. Press the spring button to install the bearing. Then use the tools shown in the video to install the tire. The protruding side of the tire center should face inward. Then unscrew the nut and install the tire. Then put the nut back. Then use a tool to tighten and secure it. Install the other side in the same way. Install the handrail. After inserting it into the mounting hole, press the spring buttons on both sides to install the handrail. Use the tool shown in the video to install the hose bracket. Align the mounting holes, insert the screw, and tighten the nut to secure. Then use a tool to tighten and secure. Install the other side bracket in the same way. Install the spray gun and outlet hose. First, install the spray gun, as shown in the video. Then place the spray gun on the bracket. Then connect one end of the outlet hose to the pump body. Connect the other end to the spray gun. Install the inlet hose. First, install the filter to the inlet hose. Then connect the other end to the pump body. Unscrew the oil dipstick to prepare for adding engine oil. Use a tool to add 600 milliliters of engine oil. Engine oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. After filling, reinstall the oil dipstick. Unscrew the fuel tank cap to prepare for adding gasoline. Use a tool to add gasoline. Gasoline type: regular unleaded gasoline. After filling, reinstall the fuel tank cap. Put the inlet hose into the water. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Close the engine carburetor choke valve. Turn the throttle switch to the maximum left position. Turn the engine on-off switch to the on position. Start the machine by first gently pulling the starter rope to the starting point. Then pull the rope with full force. These two steps can prevent the recoil caused by a full pull. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. Before starting to use, first press the spray gun until the water flow is steady. Then install the nozzle to the spray gun to start high-pressure cleaning. You can also use a multifunction high-pressure nozzle, which can change the spray angle by rotating. If you need to use detergent, connect the hose to the machine. Then put the other end into the detergent. Then install the foam nozzle. After starting, it can produce a large amount of foam, which can greatly improve cleaning efficiency. Alternatively, choose to use a foam spray bottle. The foam produced by the spray bottle is denser, greatly enhancing cleaning effectiveness and coverage. In addition, it can be used with various tools, as shown in the video. Turn off the machine. Turn the on-off switch to the OFF position. Turn the fuel switch to the off position. After use, if the starter rope is difficult to pull, the hose cannot be removed. Press the spray gun to release the pressure inside the machine before normal use.